welcome back to Beard Talk with Matt. Today, we're in for a real treat. We're going to be talking about a company that's just 1 hour north of me. We're talking about a company that you probably heard of, and if you haven't, you're going to want to stay tuned. We're talking about Bearded Ape. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Thanks for staying tuned. Like I said before, we're talking about the Bearded Ape. And like I said, this company is an hour north of me. Bearded Ape is based out of Stuart, Florida, which is in Martin County, which is close to me. So I always like to try companies that are close or near. And, I like to try the products and see how they are. I like to support local businesses or local businesses where I've lived before, like in Boston, New Hampshire, especially down south. This is one of a few companies that I've tried down close to me. So that's really awesome to support a local company and a local business, support small businesses. So we're going to be talking about the Mountain Scent from Bearded Ape. If you look at the logo on there, it's really nice. I like the logo. I like the labels. It's oil-proof label with the black and gold. It really stands out. And if you see that, we got the pump top. We'll get into that momentarily. So I asked him to share some thoughts and backgrounds on him and his company. He told me he's a person that always cares for quality over quantity, and which he puts his heart and his soul into the small batches in creating his products. And I can tell just by using this that he takes his time and he really does put his heart and soul into his company. I always see him out there promoting. I always see him out there talking about his products. He's always out there. He's a big part of the beard community, and I really respect that. And I respect the small batch companies, and he's doing a great job. He's also told me he's a loving family man who loves his family and his country and fellow men. Salute, brother. I absolutely appreciate that. Stay bearded. So I was lucky enough to receive the Mountain Scent. He sent it to me. He reached out, and we came to terms. And this was at the time when he sent it to me, I think he said, no one has reviewed this product yet. I've had it for a little bit while. As you guys know, I was sick for a little bit, and I was with my hours at work. I kind of fell behind, so I don't know if anyone's reviewed this yet, but Matt's certainly going to. So first and foremost, we're going to talk about the consistency of the oil. If you look, it's clear. It's hard to see with that, but it's clear. And I'm going to be honest with you here. This is probably one of the top 3 thickest oils I have tried. When I put this in my hand and I rub it around and I put it in the beard throughout the day, you don't even really need to use balm with this, to be honest with you. It's so thick that it styles your beard perfectly without balm. I still put a little bit of balm, but that's perfect. It's thick. The consistency is really nice. The scent lasts about 7 to 8.5 hours, I would say. I put it in 5:30 in the morning, and it lasts me just about until I'm ready to go home for the day. So that's great. Like I said, it's a thicker oil. It's top 3 for sure. There's one other company I can't think of that I tried a while ago, but it's up there with Artius Man. It's not as thick as Artius Man, but it's pretty darn close, and that's for sure. So we're going to get into some ingredients here. All organic ingredients. Really appreciate that. Jojoba oil, marula oil, argan oil, and castor oils, and then aromatic blends of essential oils. And I like how he has the directions on here. I like how he says external use only, tests on skin for allergies. If you watched a video previously from me, I talk about testing samples and testing oils on your skin for allergic reactions, because that happened to me early in the beard game. So I really appreciate that. It's handcrafted in the Treasure Coast of Florida. Treasure Coast, that's, like I said, an hour from me. I'm in Palm Beach. So beardedape.com is where you're going to go to find some products. And we're going to get into the scent real quick. I don't know everything that's in here, but I'm just going to go off of what I smell and what I've used. And I'm going to tell you right off the bat, this is a masculine scent. That's the first thing that hits me. I feel like it's an outdoors, fresh, masculine scent. Cologne-y a little bit. Cologne-esque, to be honest with you. This is something that you can wear any day, and then you could wear it out at night if you're going out to a celebration, a dinner, whatnot. And I get like mountain. I get like fresh air, fresh water. It's just a very masculine scent, like I'm out there fishing and hunting. Not hunting, but you get what I'm saying, out in the elements. That's what it's a fresh mountain scent. If any of you have been up north and been in the mountains, and you're outside and you take a deep breath, that's what you get. You get that freshness, that masculine scent. So this is a 1 ounce oil, amber bottle, pump top. This pump top is perfect. It's very precise in the amount that it puts in your hand. I do about 3 pumps. I got a bit of a thicker coarse beard, sorry, and 1 ounce, like I said. And you're probably wondering, with all organic ingredients and this pump top, how much is it? $20? $25? No, this is $14.95. That is a great deal. And I encourage you to go check out some of his other scents. I've heard about them. I've watched reviews on them. He's got some great scents. I think he's got this French roast scent. He's got this one that's like bananas and chocolate. I'd be interested to try that one. So that one sounds good. And he's got bombs. He's got, I think he's got like these things that you take. I think he calls them pocket something. It's on the go beard oil. That's perfect. He's got hats. He's got shirts. He's got combs. He's got everything. That's a company that you need to try if you haven't tried. And if you have tried, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Top-notch in quality, top-notch ingredients, top quality customer service, and an even better owner. So thanks for staying tuned. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment and like down below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at beardtalkwithmatt. And thanks for staying with me on this journey. Stay bearded.